What is up, my friends? Chaz here, bringing you the first ever 10-day squat and push-up challenge. If you guys have not already, be sure to read the description on the right-hand side of the group, and in there is going to show how many push-ups we're doing and squats each day. First day, we're going to start with 55, and I chose this number because that means on day 10 we will end by doing 100 squats and 100 push-ups. I believe it came out to almost 800 total for the entire 10 days. That is awesome. So I know some people in the group may be thinking, I don't know if I can keep up with that pace, or I have a shoulder injury or anything like that. Guys, keep in mind, you can modify as much as you need to. If you need to do push-ups on the wall, go for it. If you can do clapping push-ups, plyo style, go for it. The point is to just follow something for 10 days, being squats and push-ups, that you're going to stick with. That way when you finish, you can get that sense of accomplishment for yourself. So I figured I would just slap this together because it would be a fun challenge. I opened this thing up to all coaches, all my customers, my friends, family, etc. So if you have anyone you want to join in on this challenge, just add them to the group and I will go ahead and accept, and we will kick this thing up as of tomorrow, which is Monday, with 55 squats, 55 push-ups. Now, because this is such a short challenge, it's only 10 days, so I would like for each person to check in at least once per day after you finish your sets. Now, again, if you only can do 5 or 10 push-ups at a time, that's great. Break it up throughout the day. Do 10 in the morning, 10 in the afternoon, and finish the rest of them up at night. The point is just to get them done throughout the day. Or if you're a little bit more hardcore and you want to push yourself, do them all in one set. If you want to go for extra accountability, put them all on video. That's what I'm personally committing to for you guys. I'm going to be putting all of my push-ups and squats on video and submitting it to this group that way. That's my form of accountability. So if you want to join me in that, that would be awesome. Aside from that, this has been Coach Chaz. I am excited for this challenge. I'll see you guys on the flip side for 55 of each tomorrow. Peace out.